Well, now that you have learned the subjunctive, how do you feel? Hopefully you are still alive and want to learn a little bit more. Well, that I can do. In the next lesson, I'm going to break down a few recommendations for when to use the subjunctive using one of my favorite acronyms, WEIRDO. But before that, I need to let you in on 5 little dirty secrets of the subjunctive, these sneaky irregulars. And most of these are your regular suspects: dar, estar, ser, ir, and saber. What troublemakers, no? Well, at least the first 4 are easy to spot once you start looking for their subjunctive stems. They all end in oy, a universal sound for look out. Doy, estoy, soy, and voy. This should be your warning sign that these tricksters need some special attention. Memorization. Dar, to give, uses the regular present subjunctive endings for an AR verb, but its stem is simply the letter D, and the first and the third person singular conjugations carry a tilde to differentiate this verb from the preposition de, which means of or from. Now, estar is similar in that it also uses the regular present subjunctive endings for an AR verb, but the stem is est, and it carries tildes on all endings except the nosotros form to move the oral accent to the last syllable. Ser also uses regular endings, but uses the stem se. Ir is just plain weird and needs a bit of memorizing. Its stem is vay, close to the present indicative form voy, boy, but with an a, which may remind you to use endings that include a's. Vaya, vayas, vaya. Now, last we have saber, whose yo form is just silly complicated. Se, just like the affirmative to command for ser, and looking a lot like the reflexive pronoun se, but totally different meaning. At least its subjunctive form is unique, right? Its stem is sep, and then just add regular present subjunctive endings for an er verb. Sepa, sepas, sepa, etc. All right, you are up to your knees in subjunctive. Next week, dive all the way in. But you better study on your way, porque es todo para hoy. You can practice all of the picture flashcards you learned about health and sickness at SpanishDict.com/learn, as well as test yourself with quizzes, the writing and speaking assignments, the forum, and the video chat. You can study up on the subjunctive at SpanishDict.com/reference and just click on the big subjunctive link. If you just want to watch this lesson on the go, subscribe to our video podcast through iTunes. And as always, everything here at SpanishDict.com is completely free, so check it out. Hasta luego y nos vemos!